Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about lip shades. Yes, so I'm going to share my top 5 favorite pink lip shades which are long lasting and are going to make your lips look lustrous. So the first one is the shade which I'm wearing. This is from the brand Sugar and it comes in a bottle of 7 ml. The packaging is very nice. The box, I'm not having the box right now. It's very beautiful and handy. This shade is one of my favorite pink shades and it's very much suitable for the Indian skin tone and also very sturdy for this festive season. Sugar has actually got a beautiful lip range and this color is simply amazing. It's going to survive all the meals. चाहे आप पूरी खाओ, आप कुछ भी तला हुआ खाओ, this won't go off on its own. And for this, I would recommend before applying on your lips, put some lip balm or nourishing oil, whatever you feel comfortable, because otherwise your lips would be flaky. This is amazing. It lasts for around say 12-13 hours, and after that when you want to remove it, you need to use makeup remover or any oil. I prefer to use coconut oil, so you can use according to your own choice. But this shade is simply amazing. जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक लंबी लास्ट करने वाली लिपस्टिक पसंद है, it's a must purchase for them. I love it. I'm going to show you a swatch on my hand. You can see how beautiful this shade is. I'm going to share the link in the description in case if you want to check out, you can. Now the next pick is from the brand Bobbi Brown. This lipstick is amazing and my all-time favorite. It's very suitable for your office wear, party wear. This pink is not as bold as the one which I showed earlier. You can see the close-up. Even if you don't apply any lip balm or oil, it won't leave your lip flaky. This is simply amazing. It's so nourishing and intensely nourishes your lips. It's so smooth, and yes, both the lipsticks which I have shown till now are transfer proof. They won't transfer at all. And this shade is one of my favorite shades, I swear, by the brand Bobbi Brown. But the only thing which pinches is it's at a very higher side of the price. This is for 3600. I have almost finished it because I love it like anything. I'm going to show you the swatch of this lipstick. See, this one is really smooth and it simply reduces the appearance of the fine lines. हमारे लिप्स पे कोई फाइन लाइन नहीं होती है, लिप्स चैपी और फ्लेकिंग नहीं होते हैं इसको लगाने के बाद. एंड द कलर इज सो सूदिंग. ये इंडियन स्किन टोन पर, इवन जो वीटिश कलर है उस पर भी बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये वाला पिंक. एंड इतना लाइट वेट है, आई डोंट फील एज इफ आई हैव पुट समथिंग ओवर माई लिप्स. Now next lipsticks which I'm going to show is from the brand Sugar itself again. Sugar, nothing else matters. Yes, it's simply as the name suggests. The packaging is very sturdy and the color shade is very beautiful. You can check on my lips. This feels like you are using a wax crayon. See? It glides on your lips effortlessly. And ये भी बहुत long lasting है, but yes, the first one was comparatively more long lasting. This is going to stay somewhere around 8-9 hours. और अगर आप थोड़ा oily meal लेते हो, then you'll have to do touch up. But जो पहला शेड मैंने आपको शुगर का दिखाया था, मेटल लिपस्टिक, उसमें आपको टचअप भी नहीं करना पड़ता है. इसमें टचअप करना पड़ेगा. Even in the Bobbi Brown lipstick also you don't have to do touch up. It glides very easily. So even if I'm in hurry, then it's very easy to apply this lipstick. आप glide करो and you are done. And the best part is this is not as pricey. It's very much in our budget. The next lipstick which I'm going to share with you all is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Collection. Though this is a liquid lipstick, let me show you. But it quickly turns out to be matte. It takes seconds to dry and turns out matte. The best part which I love about this lipstick is the band of this lipstick. The moment you put it on your lips, It takes the shape of your lips and glides so easily. The pigmentation is so nice, and it's not going to just move away from your lips. It will last longer for around 6-7 hours. This is a best pick for this festive season, and those who prefer matte lipstick with a little bit of gloss and glow, so this is the best pick for them. So guys, any lipstick collection is just incomplete without the Maybelline lipstick. So my last recommendation is this Maybelline Lip Gradation, and this is by Color Essential and the shade is Pink 1. I simply and highly recommend this lipstick. You can see on my lips. This is a perfect wear for office, for day functions and for festivals, and this lipstick is very easy to use. Apart, those who like to blend two shades, it has a brush also behind the lipstick, so you can simply do blending. You can make it light, and this lipstick is very light on your lips. I'm going to show you the swatch. This is a must-have for all lipstick lovers. So here I'm done with all the lipsticks which are going to last longer. None of the lipstick is going to go away within a span of 5 to 6 hours. So these all picks are highly recommended from my side. I have been using all of them from long, so I swear by them. So give a thumbs up if you liked my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section which lipstick you liked most. I hope you liked all the lipsticks and you're going to check them out for the current festive season. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.